I'm super excited. My new iPad 9th generation just came, and let's open it up and take a look. This measures 10.2 inches in the display. Oh, very nice. Comes with an instruction manual and some stickers too. It also comes with this USB lightning port to the C cable, as well as a charging station too. Now, for the moment of truth. Oh, this is so pretty. Yay! Look how nice this is. We probably need to charge it up. Oh, it looks like it is starting up just a little bit. This is really nice because it has 64 gigabytes and it can hold up to 256 gigabytes of storage. And let's open this up. It says hello. Let's click on English. Select your country, United States, and it's a quick start. So it says bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPad to sign in and set up. If your other iPhone or iPad doesn't show options for setting up this iPad, make sure it's running iOS 11 or later and has Bluetooth turned on. You can also set up this iPad manually. Okay, so I'm going to set up the iPad manually. And now it wants me to choose a Wi-Fi network connection. Now it wants me to put in the password. Let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. Isn't it beautiful? Now it says it may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. So what's really nice about this, it has a camera here on the back that will produce 8 megapixel camera. And the front-facing camera has 12 megapixel camera feature. Isn't that nice? And it's also ultra wide too. So it says use your fingerprint in place of your passcode or Apple ID password for purchases. And it says place your finger and lift and rest your finger on the home button repeatedly. Now it says touch ID. Touch the home button to enroll your fingerprint. Make sure to cover the ring and that your finger is dry. Now lift your finger and then place your finger on the home button repeatedly. Lift your finger, place your finger, lift your finger, place your finger, lift your finger. It's like exercise. Place your finger, lift your finger, place your finger, lift your finger, place your finger, lift your finger. Now it's saying adjust your grip. Keep going to capture the edges of your print. Continue. Now it says it's complete. Touch ID is ready. Your print can be used for unlocking your iPad. Continue. And now it says create a passcode. Touch ID provides the convenience and security of fingerprint access. Occasionally, your passcode will be required for validation. And now it's saying apps and data. Choose how you want to transfer apps and data to this iPad. Restore from iCloud backup, restore from Mac or PC, transfer directly from iPad, move data from Android, don't transfer apps and data. And now it wants me to sign in with my Apple ID. First, it wants your email address. Then it wants your password. Now it says Apple ID security. Apple uses two-factor authentication to help ensure you're the only person who can access your Apple ID. When you sign in on any new device, you will verify your identity using one of the other devices or your phone. So they want you to enter your telephone number, and now they're sending me on my phone the passcode. So now that I put in the verification code, it's giving me the terms and conditions. After I read it all, I'm going to push agree. Now it's saying it may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. Now it's saying keep your iPad up to date. Get the latest features, security, and improvements by updating iOS automatically. You'll receive a notification before updates are installed, and you can choose other options in settings. Location services. Location services allows maps and other apps and services like Find My to gather and use data indicating your approximate location. So you can either enable location or disable it. And Apple Pay, add cards to Apple Pay to send money to friends and make secure payments in apps and on the web. I'm going to set that up later in the settings. iCloud Keychain. It keeps your passwords and credit card information you save secure and up to date on the devices you approve. This information in your keychain is encrypted and cannot be read by Apple. So you can either choose continue or don't use iCloud Keychain. And now it's saying Siri. Siri helps you get things done just by asking. Siri can even make suggestions before you ask in apps or keyboards. To use Siri, press and hold the home button or say, "Hey Siri," anytime. Continue. Select the Siri voice. Now you have 4 voices you can choose from.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in settings.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in settings.
And this is number 3.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in settings.
And this is number 4.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in settings.
I think I'm going to go with the first one.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in settings.
Now it says, say "Hey Siri" into your iPad. And it just recognized it. Say "Hey Siri, send a message." Say "Hey Siri, how's the weather today?" And then it's giving a check mark. "Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes." And finally say, "Hey Siri, play some music." Now it's saying, "Hey Siri is ready." Siri will recognize your voice whenever you say "Hey Siri." Tap continue to finish setting up your iPad. Yay, we're almost done. Continue. Improve Siri and dictation. Help improve Siri and dictation by allowing Apple to store your audio interactions with Siri, dictation, and translate on this iPad and from any connected Apple TV, HomePod, or home accessory. Apple may review a sample of stored audio. You can change this later in the settings for each device. This data is not associated with your Apple ID and will only be stored for a limited period. Now you can click Share Audio Recordings or Not Now. I'm going to click Not Now. Now it's saying Screen Time. Get a weekly report with insights about your screen time and set time limits for apps you want to manage. You can also use screen time on children's devices and set up parental controls. So I can do continue or set up later in settings. I'm going to set that up later. Analytics. Help Apple improve its products and services, including Siri and other intelligent features, by allowing analytics of usage and data from your iPad and iCloud settings. And iCloud account. You can change your decision later in settings. All analysis is performed using privacy-preserving techniques such as a differential privacy and is not associated with you or your account. And you can either click Learn More, Share with Apple, or Don't Share. I'm going to click Don't Share. And now it's asking for the appearance, how you want it to look. So you can have it in a light mode or a dark mode. I'm going to choose dark mode. And now it's saying, "Welcome to iPad. Get started." Yay! Use this iPad when sharing your location. You are currently using this iPad to share your location to Find My and Messages. And it looks like we're all set. Yay! Super excited about this. So right now I'm going to be playing around with my new iPad. And if you're interested in purchasing an iPad for yourself, just click on the link in the bottom of the description. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful. Have a great day.